GAF performs over 4,000 quality checks on its shingles. But that's not enough. So we came to this testing facility to see how well our timberline shingles hold up to Category 3 hurricane force winds. Obviously, our roof shingles can stand up to extreme wind. Can they stand up to, say, red-hot flaming embers? Nothing stops fire, but GAF shingles can resist, and with GAF's reputation for quality, you might say we have nothing more to prove. Of course, that didn't stop us from testing our shingles against hundreds of gallons of water in under 2 minutes. Underneath, not a drop. What helps to make all this possible? It's called DuraGrip, a unique adhesive that holds GAF shingles tightly to your roof. So strong, we used it to make a trailer hitch that pulled the 10-ton house used in these tests. A GAF roof is engineered to endure and tested to extremes. That's what's made GAF North America's largest roofing manufacturer. And they've got it down to a science. The science of peace of mind.